Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here. Today, we have a very special story of one of our students, ALKA YADAV. So, ALKA has done her B.Sc in Zoology, Botany, and Biotech from Kurukshetra University. Subsequently, she did her uh, Masters in Environmental Science from Kurukshetra University, and she was preparing with us in a live online program for NET-JRF. In that series, she qualified a JRF in June 2025, and she was preparing very hard for all the interviews and entrances of various universities across India. In that series, she has given the interview for JNU Environmental Science domain, and in that she got an All India rank of 2. So, on such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation would like to congratulate our student Alka Yadav and wish her good luck for her Ph.D. program and academic journey. At present, the institute is offering offline, online correspondence with video and only correspondence program along with the test series and interview preparation for December 2025. Institute is also offering GATE Ecology Evolution and Environmental Sciences program. Institute also offers CUET PG for Life Sciences and Biotech, along with the job-oriented exams such as CPCB, HPSC, Jammu Kashmir PSC, and all other states level exams such as Power Grid, Forest Conservator, etc. So those people who wish to do exceptionally well in a limited amount of time, they should reach us as early as possible on our given number through our web page or Instagram page or YouTube, or they can directly reach us. We have all sort of customized program for everyone who is working, non-working, currently pursuing masters, or a dropout student. So feel free for the same. Once again, we would like to congratulate Alka Yadav from Kurukshetra University. She has got All India rank 2 in PhD Environmental Science at JNU. Thank you.